Princess Zelda, you were trespassing on our territory, only.
I can pay you back in a very nice way, but I have to go on to the castle. Your trees have never seen the likes of me before. Woo! These are the trees of the magic forest. There are many ancient legends about you. Nanami is so cool. I want him to hold my hair. I know he was very good at it.
Haruta say your consistent words.
If I fall to my knees, Nanami will notice me. I've been wanting to do that for a long time.
Where are you looking at?
Wow. This potion makes body parts bigger. Stark, we got something special planned today.
I don't think this will work. Wait, is that my?
Yes! This potion really does increase. I have even better plans. Get ready, Stark. Oh, that hand is creepy. Until Itadori-kan regains control over his body, I have to keep him away from others.
My heart pushes all this to the background, and I can barely breathe.
Why is he complimenting me so much? Other men never said these nice things to me, so it feels good hearing it. Maybe he's not as evil as I thought. Denji is my wonderful dog. Come to the pool with us, we get lonely.
Wow.
Only gently below when you are gentle with us. Today is the best day I ever had, Denji, my dog. This is our last flight on this plane, Armin, before Annie knows it. Let's do it one last time. Eren continued to walk towards my land. The earth rumble with destroy everything. Come on, Armin, Annie's gone. I'm the last woman left here. Armin, you made the right choice. Let's die together in this beautiful moment. You guys should evacuate this building immediately. It's too dangerous here. He is too strong for me. I keep crashing into buildings, and him fighting with his legs that makes it hard for me. He's kept getting bigger our fight. I already know what comes next. So finally I got to this monster. According to legend, he can do very nice things to women. He's incredible. I fell on my knees for him. Whoa, this is going to be incredible, my best prey. This monster does it. I hit the jackpot tonight. I got my couch in a spider's web. Hey, Bakasta, what do you think about this swimsuit? Why is he not paying any attention to me? Seriously, look at me already. Woo! Bakasta, but look at me, I can't humiliate myself by running after you. I'll get you today, you'll see. I won't give up so easily. Lie down while you watch. Hey, my name is Selena, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for new video. Bye.